Hi guys, welcome back. Few questions which I'm getting frequently nowadays related to Cognizant hiring. Today I'm going to refer those questions and I'm going to answer that. Related to first is result, second is resume update, third is when will be my interview. Some people have not yet got their interview, the date or the result of the first online test. Okay, fourth is HR round of CDS. What is that? Because last year there was nothing called HR round. So let's get started. Before starting, let me introduce myself to those who are new to my channel. Hi guys, my name is Amita Singh and haven't subscribed it yet. I will highly recommend you to please press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. Maybe while watching this video, you may forget that. Why? Because on this channel, you're going to get a lot of informative videos related to companies' recruitment process, how you can grow your career in IT field. So every guiding tips, tricks to crack interview, and I'm going to provide you with the help of my experience so far. So now let's get started. So first is related to result. When I am getting my result of first round or interview round. So guys, if you ask me this question, then I will be just referring the last year how the result came, when the result came. You know what happened last year? Once every company, every service-based company, TCS, Accenture, Infosys, Wipro, every company, when they are done with their interview, at the end of December, all the result got declared. All the company's result. Why? I'll tell you the reason. From last year, the companies, what they decided, like, let the student choose the company. Because before last year, what used to happen, if you got one offer letter, then your TPO were not allowing you to sit into different companies, so to sit for other companies. So this time, from last year, what is happening, you will get chance to sit for all the companies you are eligible for, and you will be the one who will be deciding where to go. Are you getting my point? So that's why maybe this year the things will get changed. Even I'm not sure, but till last year this is what happened. And if you are waiting for your result, then I would say don't wait for it. Instead, prepare for the upcoming companies in your college. Okay, because anyhow the result is going to declared by the end of December. Even maybe before that, we don't know, right? This year what is going to happen. So this is what happened last year. All the result got declared at the same time. Once all the all the companies were finished with their interview process. Hope I answered you. If you still have any doubt, you can post it in the comment section. Hey guys, these 6 companies are hiring at re-level. So if you haven't taken the test, I will highly recommend you to please go ahead and proceed with that. Now, those who are not familiar with what is re-level is a hiring platform by Unacademy where you can take a test that is free of cost, and the jobs on re-level is profile based. For backend development, if you are interested in backend development, go ahead and take in the test of backend development, front-end development, and business development. And now here you can see the list of companies hiring for backend development at re-level. You can see the packages on this re-level is quite huge. All you need to do is just take a simple test and you are eligible for all this company. Suppose if you are scoring well, then you have high chances of getting multiple calls from different companies. Now here you can see the list of the business development, and this is the list of the front-end development companies which are hiring. So presently, the company which are hiring at re-level is these 6. These 6 companies are going to hire this week. So go ahead and book a slot and take the test. Guys, this is really a great opportunity for those looking for something better than 3 to 4 kind of packages, because here you can check out the packages. I will provide all the links in the description box. You can go ahead and proceed with that and book your slot, take the test. And you know what the best part is? You can see here, suppose you are scoring well, then you can win goodies like MacBook, Apple Watches, and many more. So on leadership board, if you have to be at the top, So it's like a competition, and the same side and the other side you will get multiple calls. So it's a win-win kind of situation, right? So this is all about Relevel. You can check out the link in the description box. Related to updating resume. Suppose if you have uploaded your old resume on Superset or any other platform, then yes guys, you will get chance to update it. Means while during your interview, at the first place, you can tell the interviewer to, and you can tell the interviewer related to your updated resume, and you can share within a chat. So it's fine. Many people have shared their resume in chat and during the interview. So it's okay to share at that time. Getting my point. If you are not able to update it on the portal, then wait for your interview. On the interview date, just tell your interviewer that I have my updated resume, and share it with the interviewer. It's as simple as that. Hope I answered this. Now, when will be my interview? So this is the questions that is mostly asked by 4th December test. On 4th December, Cognizant had a online test, right? So their result got declared recently, and they are waiting for their interview date. So guys, interviews are going on. You will be getting everyone will be getting their interview call letter within a month, within this month, within 1 or 2 weeks, everybody is going to get their interview call letter, and everybody is going to get their interview done by the next month completely. That's what I'm saying. So do not wait for anything. I would say do not wait for any result or anything. Just keep on preparing yourself. Don't wait for the last day or 3 days before interview. Suppose you are getting your result and 3 days after 3 days you have your interview scheduled, then how you are going to prepare within 3 days, right? So keep on preparing. Anyways, the result is going to come out. Okay, now the 4th question is HR round of Cognizant. Last year there was no HR round. This year there is an HR round. Now what is that in the HR round? It is quite straightforward and very simple. Many students have shared their experience with me of their HR round. In the HR round there was something, it was completely, more or less it was related to document verification, like Aadhaar card, PAN card, like this way. They verified all your documents, whatever you have uploaded, or your names, whatever you have uploaded on Superset XYZ platform, and simple basic questions just to interact with you. That's all. There was no like technical questions, and there was not much behavioral questions too. That interview was very much straightforward. So don't worry about the HR round interview of Cognizant. It is going to be very much straightforward. So these are the 4 questions which I am getting frequently nowadays related to Cognizant. So hope I have cleared your doubt. If you have any question, then put it in the comment section or email me. You can email me, or prefer email me because I'm getting a lot of DMs on Instagram. So guys, if something is important, right, better email me than DM me on Instagram. I may miss your DM over there. Okay, so hope this video was informative to you. If it was informative to you, don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet.